you are hearing from Engineer Asim. This video is all about World Youth Forum 2022 in Egypt, fully funded. Registration is now open for World Youth Forum 2022 in Egypt. World Youth Forum is 1 week conference in Egypt. All international students from all around the world are eligible to apply. World Youth Forum will bring 5,000 plus participants in 2022. In 2017, we have around 3,200 participants. In 2019, around 5,000 participants hosted. This year in 2021, more than 5,000 students will participate in World Youth Forum Egypt. International Youth Forum is taking place from 10 to 13 January 2022 in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. This is one of the fantastic opportunities for youth. There are no academic or CGPA requirements. It's not an academic program, it's a leadership program. The aim of World Youth Forum is to bring participants from all over the world to send a message of peace, prosperity, harmony and progress to the entire world, and are determined to make our world a better place for everyone. Now let me give you details about World Youth Forum 2022. Countries: Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. Number of participants are 5,000. Duration is 10 to 13 January 2022. Financial coverage: it's fully funded. Deadline is 15 December 2021. Now let me tell you about financial coverage. As stated above, WYF Egypt 2022 is fully funded international conference for all the participants. Selected participants will get the following benefits: round airfare tickets from your nearest hub to Egypt, including domestic flights within Egypt, full free accommodation during the event by the World Youth Forum, hosted transportation is provided from and to the airport, visa is free. About WYF, World Youth Forum offers you a variety of options. Participants with any academic disciplines are eligible to apply. There are no academics or CGPA requirements. It's not an academic program, it's a leadership program. You can attend the events as an attendee, a speaker, a model participant, a workshop participant, and many more depending on the event. Forum topics: climate change, social security, human rights, post-COVID effects, distance learning, future of energy, entrepreneurship, technology and 5G, and digital transformation. Now talk about eligibility criteria. It's open to all youth of all nations between the ages of 18 to 40 years old. Youth that is influential in their communities and areas of studies are also encouraged to apply. You can attend WYF as an attendee, a normal participant as a youth, a speaker, a model participant, a workshop participant, or World Youth Theatre participant. What are required documents? Passport scan for foreign applicants, national ID scan for Egyptian applicants, a clear photo with white background. Now talk about registration steps. Step 1, fill in your basic information. Step 2, verify your email. Step 3, complete your profile. Step 4, get your account approved. Step 5, receive your e-invitation. Step 6, choose your desired flight dates. Step 7, receive your e-ticket. Step 8, apply for visa. Step 9, receive your accommodation details. Deadline: the last day to apply for World Youth Forum 2021 in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt is 15 December 2021. The screening process takes from 2 to 4 weeks. After submitting your application successfully, you will be notified via email. How to apply for World Youth Forum registration in Egypt? You have to apply online, create profile by sign up and complete all the details. To apply, please visit the official website of World Youth Forum registration portal. In this video, I have given you complete details of World Youth Forum 2022. Now, if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing. Engineer Asim.